Hi guys, and welcome to my review of the Movo DSE4 adjustable cold shoe extension bar. So, having researched and purchased a shiny brand new Rode VideoMic, I neglected to look at the placement of the hot shoe adapter on my Panasonic video camera, which is unfortunately at the front. And as the mic's quite long, it's always in the shot, and yes, I can zoom in to get it out of the shot, but as it's on a shock mount, it still bounces up and down a little bit and does pop into the shot quite often. So I needed to find an extension bar that would allow me to pull the microphone back along the body of the camera and obviously pull it out of shot. Having looked around for quite a while, I stumbled upon this Movo DSE4 adjustable cold shoe extension bar, which I hoped would solve the problem. Now, as I only wanted to pull the mic back a little bit, I got the shortest length you can get from Movo, so I got the 4-inch version, which should be plenty for what I need. But you can also purchase 6, 8, 12 and 16-inch versions, which would allow you to mount more of your gear to the camera. So let's have a look at what we get in this nice little box. The goods are very well packaged, and the first thing that I found was this little instruction sheet, which is very simple and to the point. Underneath the instructions is this little card that explains what to do if you're unhappy with the purchase, and on the other side it also explains what you can do if you're happy, which is great. It looks like Movo put a lot of work into the presentation of this, and it's great to see that they're standing behind their product by giving you contact details should you need any help. So the majority of the extension bar is made out of what feels like quite hard metal, leaving only the little adjusters here and the bit that attaches to your hot shoe on your camera made out of hard plastic. There's not much weight in this at all, but it does feel really sturdy. It feels very well made, and the parts slide together quite nicely. Once you've got everything in the right place, you lock the two parts together by simply tightening up this little plastic wheel here. Okay then, let's get this together and pop it on my camera. So here's the before and after shots, and I'm pleased to say that it's worked a treat. Another point to note is that this extension bar can be turned around, so you can mount it horizontally for fitting of your flash on one side, your mic the other, etc, etc. So it's very universal in that sense. Well, there you go guys. If you're looking for a similar solution, then I would highly recommend this product. It really has saved my bacon and solved my problem. If you like this review, then please subscribe to my channel to see more, and don't forget to add your comments below. Have a great day guys, and I'll see you again soon.